everyone, welcome back. We're going to plan my classic happy planner for the same layout and for the last week in September. And I think we're just going to use Color Story this week. I am knocking the camera, but it's pretty empty, so we'll figure out what we're going to use and hopefully clear out another sheet or two, because we will finish this by 2022. Yes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I was gonna put more boxes in. These are just boxes that either were colorful boxes and I added to label paper, or some that I just printed boxes onto label paper from like a Word document. But I just think I might do something different and you just use Word, like just use the pens and just leave it a little bit more bare this week. It still obviously got stickers on it, but yeah, I used up 3 sticker sheets. Sorry. TJ's playing with toys in the background. I don't know if you can hear him, but TJ's our cat. Yeah, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can get notified when I put out new videos. Thanks. Bye.